Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch basically. So let's get started. So a few things to mention before we continue. The first thing is that your battery needs to be above 20 or 30% before you reset the watch. I mean, it could be lower, but I recommend for it to be above 20 or 30, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So if your watch is not charged, I recommend to charge it before you attempt this. Next, of course, your watch needs to be paired with a phone if you want to use the phone application to factory reset the watch. And once you charge your watch and your phone is paired with your watch, you can open the Honor Health application, tap on device, and here you should see your Honor Watch 6. Select it, and then scroll through the device page and look for the option called Restore Factory Settings. And once you find it, tap on OK, and the watch will disappear from the app and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see this welcome message on the screen, or hello message, it means that the factory reset is complete. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.